This is Ryan Ahmad. Now I am staying at Badishra village. My opposite side is Kasait village. My left side is situated in Shuata, and my left side is Badishra. The three village people are very friendly and supportive, and they leading their life in a common way. And the paddy field, my uh, grandfather or my uncle's paddy field, and this field is really ours, but at this moment we are not cultivating this paddy field. The sky is really sunny, and the sun is really blooming and whispering. The sun is really peeping through their sunlight from universe to earth, and the farmers are working really hard. Uh, uh, Bangladesh is an agricultural country. 70% people of Bangladesh are uh, uh, their main profession is agriculture, and they uh, maintain their livelihood by farming or agriculture. They are uh, cultivating various crops in their field in many seasons. They are cultivating uh, paddy, they cultivating tomato, brinjal, bean, uh, and so other vegetables in their field for maintaining their livelihoods. Bangladesh is blessed with a natural uh, beauty. Mohan Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is bestowed with Bangladesh various natural resources. There is no country like Bangladesh in the world. I